Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to find sent follow requests on Instagram. Quick one guys, go ahead and open up your Instagram, then click on the profile section down here. After that, click on the three lines in the upper right corner. Then after clicking on the three lines, click or tap on account center. Then choose your information and permissions. Then choose export your information over here. Now this step, it may take a bit longer, but depending on your Instagram account, it will then finish uploading. So once it finishes uploading, obviously just go ahead and check mark all the information you want, including the follow requests or the sent requests you've ever sent. And basically the export will be done directly to your device. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet